Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Susanti and I would like to share the material about expressing agreement and disagreement. So, without any further ado, let's check this out. We have four table of contents in here. Number 1 is lesson objective. Number 2 is definition. And number 3 is expression. And the last one is exercise. Okay, for the first one is lesson objective. We have two lesson objective in here. Number 1 is to identify the expression related to agreement and disagreement expression. Number 2 is apply expression of agreement and disagreement in daily life. Next is definition. The definition of agreement expression is used to explain an agreement for an opinion and fact. In expressing agreement, students can express something when agreeing with another opinion. Meanwhile, when students do not agree about something, opinion, or fact, the student can use disagree expression. The simple one is if you agree with anything, you can use agreement expression, and if you disagree with anything, you can use disagree expression. The next is expression. There are many of example expression of agreement and disagreement. We usually use common one word that is I agree with you for agreement and I disagree with you for disagreement. The another example is for agreement I could not agree with you more. That's so true. That's for sure. You're absolutely right. That's exactly how I feel. I have to side with you on this one. And for disagreement, there are I don't think so. No way. I'm afraid I disagree. I beg to differ. I'd say the exact opposite. This is another example of expressing agreement and disagreement. You can read by yourself. There are example in conversation. You can listen the audio carefully.
I was thinking of holding the company retreat in the mountains.
I agree. I think that would be perfect.
I was thinking it could take place sometime in January.
That might be a little too cold for some people.
Yes, you're right.
What about April? April has good weather that isn't too cold or too hot.
Yes, that would work out better.
Maybe we could take a survey to see how that works for everyone.
Good idea. We'll have to get right on it.
Fine. Well, I'll get right on it. Now!
Okay, that's the example in conversation. The next is exercise. I have two audios in here. Your job is listen the audio carefully, then look for word that contains agreement and disagreement expression, then write your answer in the comment section. That's all for me. Don't forget to practice it. Stay healthy and stay happy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.